Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to study what is difference between corpuscles and cells. See, the corpuscles, when we say, these are those small bodies which are found freely floating or suspended into the blood or lymph. Those small bodies which are found freely floating or suspended into the blood or lymph are called corpuscles, whereas no cells are the building blocks of an organism, or say they are the basic structural and functional unit of life. And cells are called basic structural unit because the body of every organism is made up of cells, and they are called functional unit because every biochemical process that takes place inside our body takes place inside the cell. Then these cells are of two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. See, prokaryotic cells are those cells which do not have membrane bound cell organelle and well defined nucleus, whereas a eukaryotic cell is the one that has got membrane bound cell organelle, also it is having a very well defined nucleus. Then these cells are, corpuscles are RBC, WBC and platelets only. See, RBC carries oxygen and to an extent some amount of carbon dioxide also RBC carries. WBC protects us from disease, and platelets help in the coagulation of blood. In detail we are going to study them separately. Right now this much is enough. Then corpuscles do not have nucleus except the WBC. RBC and platelets do not have nucleus. WBC have nucleus. So in general we can say corpuscles are those small bodies that do not have nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi complex and ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Whereas all these cell organelle are present in normal cells. Then normal cells join to form tissues. We have studied tissue is nothing but a group of cells. So they can join together to form tissues, whereas they do not join with each other, and they are always found freely floating or suspended into the blood or lymph. In addition to this, we can say corpuscles are not capable of division, where most of the cells alone that we refer to, they are capable of division. So this was the basic difference between corpuscles and cells.